Good day everyone, I'm Christopher Tibagpok and we're going to solve past board exam problems of equilibrium of forces, determinacy of structures, trusses, and friction. So we're going to start with equilibrium of forces. So problem number 1. So the first problem is the beam hold 3 cylinders each weighing 1,200 Newton. The diameter of each cylinder is 600 mm. Assume frictionless surface. Determine the reaction at point A and point B. So first, we need to draw the diagram. And we need kunin muna natin yung first horizontal. Drawing muna natin yung unang cylinder. So dito, may para mahati sila, meron silang tig 60 degree. So kunin muna natin yung forces, summation forces vertical ay horizontal. So RA cosine 60 minus RB cosine 60 is equal to 0. Cancel lang to. So RA is equal to RB. Summation forces vertical naman, sunod natin. RA sine 60 plus RB sine 60 minus 1,200 is equal to 0. So ganun lang din, cancel lang ulit natin. To RA sine 60 is equal to 1,200. So input lang natin sa calcu and lalabas is RA is equal to 692.820 Newton. So yung para makuha naman yung RD, so since RD yung hinahanap, reaction ng D, wait lang guys, drawing lang ulit natin. May 60 dito, meron, nakuha na natin yung RA, ayun yung RC natin is equal to 0 na. So summation of forces vertical is equal to RD. So, since RD hinahanap, minus natin sa nakuha nating RA, reaction ng A 692.820 cosine yung degree, that's equal na sa 0. So input lang ulit natin sa calcu, chip solve. Pakuha natin sa sagot is 346.410. So nakuha na natin yung reaction ng D. So yung next problem natin is the weight of W shown in the figure is supported by cables and AB and AC. If W is equal to 85 kN, what is the tension in segment AC? So hinahanap dito is yung segment ng AC. Para makuha yun is drawing muna ulit natin yung, ikunin muna natin yung degree nila. Degree ng 1 tsaka ng 2. So solution for this is angle 1 is equal to tan C, yung distance ng C 15 and 50 over natin sa 50 para makuha natin yung angle. So yung angle number 1 is equal to 17.223 degrees. Sa angle number 2 naman, tan is equal to negative 1 15.50 over naman sa 70 meter. So yun ako, angle is 12.485 degree. Yan guys, ay mag-focus. Yan. So summation tayo ng force horizontal. So Fx is equal to 0. Cosine tension cos ng A 12.485 0 minus T AB cosine 17.223 degrees equal to 0. Tension ng AB is equal to tension A cosine 12.485 degree over cosine 17.223. Tension AB is equal to 1.0222 tension AC. So summation versus vertical naman tayo. Tension AB is equal to sine 17.223 plus tension AC, nakuha natin sine 12.485 is equal to 85 kilo Newton equal to 0. So yung last is yun lang natin nawala 222 AC sine 17.223 plus TAC sine 12.485 minus 55 kN equal to 0. So calculate ulit natin, makuha na sagot is 5.188 TAC is equal to 85 kN. So TAC is equal to 163.84 kilonewton. So yung next nating topic is determinacy of structures. So yung unang problem natin is identify the degree of indeterminacy of the structure. Yung first figure natin is continuous beam. Hanapin yung second degree. So yung solution para dito is yung reaction ito natin is equal to 3m. So 5 greater than 3 1. So 5 is greater than 3. Since ito ay mas malaki, ito ay statically indeterminate. And it's equal to R minus 3m is equal to 5 minus 3 and is equal to 2. So problem number 2 naman tayo. So yung next problem natin is pin connected structure. So pin connected structure, solution natin dito is yung reactor or reaction nito is 3n. So 6 since dalawa is equal to 3 times 2, 6 is equal to 6 since para sila statically determinate. So n is equal to r minus 3n is equal to 0. So yung next topic natin is trusses. So a pin group truss is used for a residential building and loaded as shown. Find the force BC. So hinahanap is force BC. So yung solution for this is result ng dot A is equal to G 42.5 kilonewton. So trying na ulit natin yung hatiin natin para ma-solve yung forces BC. So may degree tayo dito 18.435. Ito yung B, ito yung A, BD, BC, and yung C tsaka D. So summation tayo ng moment D. Moment of D is equal to 42.5 times natin sa 3 minus sa BC multiply sa 1.5 all over 4.743 times 3 is equal to 0. So yung first BC natin is 134.385 kN column. So yung problem number 2 naman is same figure lang din. Yung hinahanap is find the reaction of the roller at A if P is equal to 3, if P is equal to 0, 32.8 kN. Same figure of problem 1. So mag-summation lang tayo dito ng A is equal to 0 minus GB over 9 plus 16 2.372 plus 27 4.743 is equal to 0. So yung GB natin o yung forces sa G vertically is equal to 18.446 kilonewton.